All right. What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial advisor. Welcome to my channel. All right, what's up, guys? My apologies for getting started a little late here today. Was finishing up with some TA. What up, Beelzebub? What up, Zach? What up, 1010? And what up, Punk Skater? What's up, guys?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Hope everyone had a great weekend. Long extended weekend. Had yesterday off, very nice. And yeah, so today is Tuesday, June 21st, 2022. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. So excited about what? The show? Or about the green market? Well, appreciate you for being here, Beelzebub. As always, managed to get a loss today, How'd that happen, dude? You go full Rainbow Bear mode? Sorry to hear that, man. But thanks for being here. Appreciate you as always. And 1010, I give hugs. Do I have a, I don't think I have a hug meme here, but... Here come the sirens. Didn't take that long. Not a great way to start the show, but that should pass pretty soon. I'm going to talk over it. Everything green except Meta and VIX. Meta's down. Well, I didn't really check too much, but yeah, the VIX is down, which is a good thing. Yeah, we'll check that out in a second here. The daily stock market review. Meta getting sued? Poop. Are they? I actually got an article about Meta. Well, about Zuckerberg and yeah, Meta in general, about their headsets coming out here very shortly. So let's take a look at that. What's going on with Meta right now? Fill me in. All right, so today we're doing the show from Tendy Town. Yes, all major indexes in the green today. Great day for the stock market. Much needed. Still pretty, still below 380 SPY, so, still not great, but, it was a big recovery, so something to celebrate about. And crypto is recovering, although that also took a pretty hard hit over the weekend. So that is slowly coming back up. You got to take your small victories where you can get them nowadays, because ain't that many. But yeah, at least to start the week, very good day here today. Crypto up, stock market up, so, I'll take it. Certainly not going to complain. Meta got wrecked. Still don't understand the news. That lawsuit was already in flight, and they changed how they pay creators or something. U.S. lawsuit alleges tool used by hospitals shares patient data with Meta. Maybe we should check out CNBC again, because I did not see that earlier. But that sounds pretty serious. Yeah, I guess we'll check that out before we get to the news. Oh, and Meta won't take profits from creators until 2024, later than originally thought. So that's a bad thing, right? For the shareholders, for the investors, because that means less profit. Yeah, Meta's all over the place right now. So we'll take a look at what's going on there. And I have my own article about the VR headsets. Keenan Grace predicted the crash. If you watch his video, it was uploaded Saturday. Crash of what? Meta? No, I don't really watch Keenan Grace. I haven't for a long time. I watched him before I started my show here. So he's a cool guy. More of a for novice level beginner people. But yeah, shout out to Keenan Grace. They are paying a $100,000 fine for a DOJ lawsuit. I think it's moving on the payment news. That's it, 100K? That's nothing to Meta. Interesting. Yeah, we'll check it out here. Sounds like some pretty breaking news. I didn't see it, though, earlier. So that's interesting. Alright, guys. So, yes. Thanks, everyone, for being here. Please smash the like button. Great show today. I can already tell. A lot of people in here. Market's up. And yeah, I don't have too much planned for today. I think we'll go 2 hours today, probably till 6 o'clock, around 6 o'clock. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. And today, we got 2 articles, so far at least. I got 2 articles, one about the Bored Ape Yacht Club. The NFTs, Bored Apes. There's some claims of racism going on there. I don't know. We'll check it out. Thought it was interesting news. So apparently the Bored Apes are racist now. And then, like I just said, one about Zuckerberg, Mark Zuckerberg, and his VR prototypes. And then today for the TA, so we're going to do MULN, MULN, Mullen Automotive. That was the hot stock today, major price action, major momentum on social media, so we'll get to that. And then I think we'll do Revlon. I wasn't planning on doing Revlon, but it did have a good amount of mentions today. Major price action. We kind of already did it on Friday, but I didn't really take it that serious. But yeah, momentum is continuing. So I think we'll do Revlon as well. So yeah, we're going to do MULN and Revlon. Shouldn't take too long. Not too much TA, not too much indicators to go off of there. So yeah, MULN, Revlon, and then we'll get to the Yolos. We have a decent amount of Yolos today. A lot of memes and a lot of lost corn. So that should take a good amount of time. So yeah, we have quite a few things to get through today. Not like a lot, but not too many articles, but 2 TAs and a good amount of Yolos. And it looks like a lot of people coming in now and chatting. So yeah, it looks like today should be not a long show, but probably average, a little more than average. So we'll aim for 2 hours, 6 o'clock. Possibly a little longer. We'll see. And what up, Morty? What up, Low Roller? And what up, Mitchell? What's up, guys?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, everyone. Appreciate you. Please smash that like button. I'm back to looking free bonus today. I hope that works out, dude. Shout out to you. Hope you won some money, or you're going to win some money. My calls, that was 10% chance on MULN, look a lot better today. What are the calls for, if you don't mind sharing? Strike and expiration. Can you look at red box for me too? Yeah, we could take a quick look. That did make like number 1, I think, but not too much price action. So we can take a quick look at that. I found free bonus 125 bucks today. I have to go different location and different city. Well, that sucks, but at least you won money, dude. So congrats to you. Caught Revlon at 389. Damn, what's it at now? You must have made some fat tennies there. Yeah, it's at 635 now. So yeah, over 50% gain so far. So congrats to you, Mitchell. Fat gains there. And you have an exit plan, dude? Let me know. But congrats so far. Fat tendies and still going. It's actually pulling back here in the aftermarket. A little bit. But yeah, shout out to you, Mitchell. Thanks for being back. Appreciate you. Nice to see you as always. And what up, Brucey, baby? What's up, dude? You had a good nap or what? So you said you could take a nap earlier on Discord. And trying to get my money back on MULN. So that sucks, dude. But yeah, you can't win them all. Hopefully you're not too down on MULN. But yeah. A lot of people in MULN right now in the community. 150 24th. Okay, so you have a plan, Morty? You know, not financial advice, but personally, it's like at the money right now. So you're probably a little in the green, if I'm not mistaken. Not exactly sure, but you're probably like a little in the green or around break even right now. So personally, I wouldn't even chance it. I would sell first thing in the morning. You know, not saying it won't work out, but at this point, you got like, 3 days to go. And Yeah, you know, anything can happen. So I'd lean on the more conservative side right now and just hit the sell button. But that's not financial advice. Whatever you want to do, dude. Just update us. 1010 says, good job, Mitchell. Yeah, shout out to Mitchell. Fellas, vanilla or chocolate? Women, don't be shy when I ask the real. Well, I don't really discriminate. You know, everyone is beautiful to me. I used to be into chocolate women a lot. Not so much lately in the past few years, but I used to like really be into chocolate women. But nowadays I got love for everyone. You know, as long as you're not, you know, overweight or anything like that. That's my one pet peeve. I just don't like them big. But hey, that's just my personal preference. So it don't matter to me. Just got to be on the slimmer side. What up, Joe? What's up, dude? Update, great nap. All right, appreciate you, Brucey. Glad you can make the show. Been in Mullen for a month. My average is 160, 159. All right, so that's not bad at all. You know, some people bought in Mullen at like $3-4. So, yeah, little in the red there, but nothing to worry about too much. So, not congrats, but you know, you should be able to easily get that back, Mitchell. Little red, 175 is break even. Oh, I got you. Yeah, break even price. Yeah, see, a lot of people are in Mullen here. So yeah, Morty. Yeah, not financial advice, but you know, don't be afraid to take a small loss, or hopefully you can get your money back. But yeah, it's coming to like super FD time for your call there. So good luck to you. Beazle says he's in Mullen 243. Yeah, it's a bit rough, but could be worse. Could be 3 or 4. That's not too bad. So hang in there, bud. Skinny cone, not waffle cone. Yeah, couldn't have said it better myself. It was only $10 an option. All right, so it's not too bad if you lose, but I thought it was worth more. But all right, dude. Hope it works out. Just have a plan, you know. It's coming down to expiration. Should I average down some more, or take the L and lose a few hundred? Well, you know, this is not financial advice. I'd probably try to hold it for another week without doing anything. Or if anything, you could sell covered calls. I think that'd actually be the best thing, Mitchell. Selling covered calls. But I certainly wouldn't buy it now. So maybe put in a sell at 160 and see if that hits over the weekend or pre-market Monday, because that's when the whole Russell rebalance thing is going to happen. The Russell 2 and 3000, they're going to get added to that. Mullen is, so. So I try to hold on a little longer, see if you can get out. So I'd either sell covered calls or just set the sell to 160 right now. See if you can escape for a small gain there. Not financial advice though, but I think that's the best way. Covered calls or hold and set your sell. You can make your money ups in other names. Don't have to make it back on Mullen. That's true, but Mullen is pretty volatile, so yeah, you might as well play the swings there. Yeah, but I'm not going to sell Mullen with a loss. I didn't invest too much money and I can wait. All right, so as long as you guys have a plan, that's the good thing, you know, not just sitting here like, please, moon. All right, guys. So yeah, a lot of people in here nice and early. Appreciate everyone. Been chilling for a while already, almost 20 minutes. All right, so yeah, once again, we'll probably go about 2 hours today. So yeah, 2 articles, Mullen, Revlon, Yolos. Let's do it, guys. And appreciate everyone for being here. A lot of people in here nice and early. And Tuesday is usually one of the slower streaming days, so looks pretty good so far. All right, let's do it, guys. And before we begin, please hit the like button. Please subscribe. and catch me every weekday after the market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. All right. And boom. And let me check out YouTube real quick. We're at 7 viewers, 9 likes. So yeah, good amount of people in here already. Appreciate everyone. Please smash that like button if you haven't yet. All right, let's do it. Start on the red side here. Okay, so the cool. Let's readjust my computer real quick. All right. So the Dow Jones up 2.15%, NASDAQ up 2.49%, and the S&P up 2.45%. Let's go. Major gains here today. Everything over 2%. So nice little bounce back here. Still, pretty deep in the red. But hey, something to celebrate about. Hopefully it holds. Hopefully this time it holds, and we don't hit lower lows. But yeah, good day here. VIX is down 2.71%, down 0.84 points. So we're at 30 now, 30 VIX, a little bit above 30. So not great at all. But we are, again, slowly hitting the right direction. Slowly but surely, we'll get there eventually. So, we're doing really good. We were at like 23 or 24 VIX. We hit like 30-something last week, and now we're back to 30. So, not great, but heading in the right direction once again. All right, let's take a look at the watch list here. Start on the red side because there's not too much in the red. AERC, that's pulling back. HUSA, it's Fubo, XCLA, HYMC, Redbox. A lot of memes here. Virgin Galactic. Netflix is down 2.6%, of course. Of course. Marriott down 2.5%, CEI 2%, Wayfair, JetBlue, Disney down 1.1%. BBIG, looks like, yeah, airlines are down. JetBlue, Southwest, Delta. Travel stocks. Yeah, we got Carnival Cruise here. Gold and silver. Yeah, so not much in the red here. Something just disconnected. I think we're still good, though. I don't know what that was. So yeah, nothing really in the red here except a few select memes. Netflix, Disney, some airlines. Not much at all in the red. Wonder why Netflix did so bad today, though. That's interesting. Oh, we did have to look at Redbox. That's true. We'll just finish up with the green side, then we'll look at Redbox real quick. I forgot who asked for it. I think it was Morty. But yeah, not much in the red. And on the green side, is Meta the new ticker? I don't think FB is the new ticker anymore, right? Yeah, it's Meta. Gotta change that. All right. On the red side, wow, MMAT is up 19%. I didn't see that. Yeah, MMAT is up. Mullen up 15%, which we'll discuss first today. So major price action there. Major momentum, we'll get to that. Coinbase 12%, very nice. Sundial's up a lot. Express up a lot. It's a lot of memes. Chewy. Roblox 10%. Riot 9.5. Tesla 9.5. Honorable mention Tesla. We're not going to do a TA on that, but it had like 2,000 or 3,000 mentions. Top 10 StockTwits, so honorable mention there. Marathon, Neo, Lee, Xpeng. So China doing really well. DraftKings looks like oil's doing well. Exxon 6%. Palantir big day. Robinhood. Nvidia 4.3%. Big day there. Chevron. Google did pretty good. 4%. Alibaba, Schwab, Target, GME. Costco. Yeah, a lot of stuff in the green here. Especially a lot of values in the green. So a good amount of growth and value going up today. Mostly value, I would say, is holding up the market, it seems like. Apple, 3.3%. Twitter, Bank of America, AMD, Microsoft, JP Morgan. See a lot of value here. Pepsi, Amazon, McDonald's, Visa. Got DoorDash. 420 is doing good today. Yep. So, yeah, great day today. Great day in the stock market. I'll definitely take it. So, only things really down. Some travel stocks, some random value stocks, Disney, Netflix, some memes, and pretty much everything green today. Everything in the green, especially, well, everything, yeah. Value did really well, especially. Feel like value's holding up the whole market here. So, yeah, congrats to everyone. Congrats to the Yips. Congrats to the Boomers. Everyone must have did pretty well today. Redbox better than Netflix? The stock is for sure. I could use some Redbox movement. Cloud on me. I'm holding Netflix right now. Thought it was a good idea to buy that. I bought the dip and it just kept on dipping. Alright, so there's the stock market, guys. Let's get on to crypto. Oh, let's look at Redbox real quick. Give me 1 second. I'm just going to blow my nose here. A little stuffy. Alright, my bad. Allergies have been acting up lately. We holding strong AF. Yeah, be careful, dude. Just have an exit plan. Okay. Yeah, so this one's interesting. And I already talked about this, but yeah, there's a gap up 860 and a gap down 1370. And it looks like it's consolidating right now. Kind of bull flagging. To be honest. Yeah, there's the big bull flag. It's bull flagging right now. RSI is a little high, 60. But yeah, this is either going back to 1370 and then back down to 860, or 860 and then 1370. So this will probably keep going to the upside. Looks like to me, at least. Looks like more bullish indicators than bearish indicators here. So it'll probably go back up to 1370 and then back down to 860. So, not financial advice, but I would say have an exit plan. I wouldn't diamond hands it. I would diamond hands it until it's time to sell. Not don't diamond hands all the way till the end. You gotta have an escape plan. Gotta hit the sell button. So yeah, I think 14 is a good time to exit. 14 and up, in my personal opinion. Okay, let's get to crypto, guys. 1 second, gotta pull that up. Excuse me. Yeah, I don't know what's up. My allergies have been going crazy lately. Okay. Cool. Let me just check YouTube before we continue here. 5 viewers, 9 likes. Alright, appreciate everyone. Looks like most people dipped. That's right. Please smash the like button if you haven't yet. All right, so crypto's up 1.96% today. What is this? They took away biggest gainers and they put in tweets. I don't like this. Okay. Interesting. That's a change on a coin market cap. All right, let's see here. So trending, we got Terra Classic, Celsius. Did they open back up their withdrawals yet? I don't think so. And then Bitcoin. So let's see what's going on here. Yeah, this is definitely going down. It was up a lot more earlier. But still green, I guess. So Bitcoin up 2.8%. Still below 21K. Ether up a little bit. That's above 1100 now. So that's going, so it is recovering. But yeah, still nasty over the weekend. Still down 30% over the weekend. That was a go this weekend. Yeah, it was a major go. I didn't even want to look. Looks like it's recovering though now. But hopefully, not higher lows, not lower lows. Wouldn't be surprised though. Binance up 2%, Cardano down 2%, XRP up 2%, Solana up 5%. Doge and Shiba are moving a lot. Doge is up 9.4%, Shiba's up 31%. Don't know why, but yeah, meme coins are mooning. Tron up a lot. There's a lot of green here. A lot of green. Not too much red. Bitcoin Cash down. Ethereum Classic down. Chainlink Avalanche. Yeah, let's sort this out. But I do see a good amount of green here. Yeah, a lot of green. So we'll call it like 80% of the coins in the green. A lot of green here. Looks like mostly growth, though. Biggest gainer is Waves, 39%, and then Sheep, 31%. So I guess Sheep is the biggest value coin, and then Uniswap, and then Doge here. There's actually a good amount of value and growth. Mostly growth, though. So yeah. Most coins in the green and good amount of price action too. So pretty good day here in crypto. And on the red side, not many coins in the red. About 20 coins in the red. Biggest loser is Helium, 4.5%. So yeah. Not much happening on the red side. This is very bullish day for crypto actually. Mostly growth coins on the red side as well, except for Cardano. So, yeah, this is a bit deceiving. I think it should be actually more than 2% overall. But yeah, there you have it, guys. Stock market and crypto. Great day in the stock market. Great day in crypto overall. Very, very bullish day. Great way to start the week. Let's go. And here comes Siren coming. Let me mute real quick while this passes, and I'll pull up the articles at the same time. Alright. Alright, so today, guys, I only got 2 articles, and I think we'll look up what's happening with Meta right now, because you guys are saying they're going through some lawsuit. So I guess we'll look more into that real quick. Yeah, only 2 articles from me here today. One about the Bored Ape Yacht Club and some accusations, and one about Mark Zuckerberg and some VR prototypes. So let's check it out. So, Bored Ape Yacht Club ripoff shoots up following viral YouTube video. So, key takeaways. A Bored Ape Yacht Club derivative has seen its volume explode in the last 2 days following a viral YouTube video claiming the original collection is racist. So, this is news to me. Apparently, NFTs can be racist now. Well, I guess they could always be, but yeah, let's keep reading. YouTube influencer Filion called on Bored Ape Yacht Club holders to burn their NFTs and buy new non-racist RRBAYC ones instead. Oh, Rider Rips. Non-racist Rider Rips Bored Ape Yacht Club's ones instead. RRBAYC is a collection spun up by internet artist Rider Rips, who had previously created CryptoPunks. Alright, so I'm not going to read all this. And I haven't seen this video, and I don't even know who this is, but Filion had an hour-long video talking about how the original collection is racist. So volume went up from 3.6 ETH to almost 2,900 on June 21st. Today. So the video is called Bored Ape. I don't want to get flagged by YouTube, so we'll call it Yahtzee. If you know what I mean. Bored Ape Yahtzee Club. So apparently, the Bored Apes contain secret Yahtzee, racist, and colonial imagery. And now he's encouraging holders to burn it. And buy from the RR collection. Rider Rips. So this may be some elaborate scheme to pump up the other collection. I don't know, but yeah, this is pretty absurd to me. I don't know. Maybe I'll watch the video later. See if there's anything convincing, but this looks pretty fine to me. I don't really see any racist symbolism or anything. I don't know. Maybe I'm ignorant. But I'll check out the video later. But yeah, there's some controversy with the Bored Ape Yacht Club. People calling it racist, and you should go support another collection now. So, news to me. Not a big fan of gas station pizza, but the pizza from Racetrack is fire. We don't even have Racetrack around here. I think I've been to that maybe a couple times outside of New York. I've never had Racetrack pizza, but if you say so, dude. Can't confirm myself, but I believe you. I believe you. Probably like 7-Eleven pizza. I imagine it to be the same thing. Not bad. Alright, and second article here. Mark Zuckerberg showed these prototype headsets to build. Mark Zuckerberg showed these prototype headsets to build support for his $10 billion metaverse bet. The company formerly known as Facebook is going to spend $10 billion this year on research and development on VR and augmented reality technologies. On Monday, Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg showed off how much progress the social media company has made towards that goal by revealing how many of the unfinished headset prototypes the company has built in its labs. These prototypes, they're custom and bespoke models that we built in our lab, so they're not products that are already ready to ship. All right, whatever. So, I thought they canceled the metaverse. Or they, scrapped it and redid it, so haven't heard about the metaverse in a while. I see the ads for Meta Quest. That's about it. But yeah, apparently they're still working on it. So they got the Butterscotch, which is high resolution, Half Dome 3. So I think that one's just a big headset. Hollow Cake 2. That one sounds like it's a light version. Starburst. Anyway, so they got all these different prototypes. Don't know which one is actually going to make it to the market, but yeah, they're investing a lot of money into this VR stuff. Behind the scenes. They also got Mirror Lake. Yeah, so some minor news here. But, you know, wasn't too much going on and haven't heard about Facebook in a while. So it looks like they're doing things behind the scenes here. Doing a lot of R&D. But let me actually look up what's up with Meta. Because you guys are telling me they're getting sued. Let's see here. So this is pretty new. We'll go with. Let's open this one. CNET. All right, so this is like kind of breaking news to me. You guys mentioned this earlier. Facebook parent Meta settles lawsuit alleging discriminatory housing ads. So it says they excluded people based on their race, sex, religion, and other. So I don't think this is that big of a deal. I mean, obviously it's pretty messed up, but yeah, this lawsuit isn't really a big thing. Didn't really make news. And I think Tencent said they had to pay $100K in fines. That's it. So yeah, bad PR, but I don't think this is really going to affect them that much. Let me just make sure there's. No, I think that is it. Okay. So yeah, guys, that's all the articles for today. So we had Bored Ape Yacht Club, racism stuff, accusations, and Meta prototypes, VR prototypes. So nothing too crazy. But yeah, let's get on to the T8 today. So let me just double check YouTube and StockTwits. See where these stocks are trading in the aftermarket. It says 4 viewers, 11 likes, so it looks like most people dipped, but appreciate everyone who's still here. Shout out to you guys. Here's my memes.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
Alright, so yeah. We're definitely going to do Mullen and Revlon. They both have almost 5,000 mentions each. Okay. Makes me think maybe I should have put out a Revlon video on Friday. I just didn't think it would blow up to be this big. But, okay. So yeah, Mullen and Revlon. There's not too many notes. What up, Peasy?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. And Wilson, what's up? What's up, guys? Please smash the like button as you're coming in. And, yeah, hope you guys had a great weekend. Long, extended weekend. And hope you guys made some fat tendies today. Alright, so yeah, Mullen and Revlon. And, oh, by the way, shout out to everyone who watched and subbed over the weekend, because I didn't actually put out a video. Friday was kind of a slow day, but we still got a good amount of subs over the weekend. And what up, Bigliest? What's up? So a lot of people popping in here today. Great show.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Yeah, haven't seen you, Big Least, in a minute. So welcome back. Appreciate you as always. Thanks for all the continued support. And yeah, Mullen treating us good today. For sure. That's what we're gonna discuss. So yeah, we're gonna do Mullen and Revlon. And then, so this shouldn't take too long. We're doing pretty good on time also. It's only been 45 minutes. Not too many indicators, so that this shouldn't take too long. And then YOLO. So maybe we'll finish. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe we'll finish before 6. I thought 6, but looks like most people are dipping, just saying hi and dipping. So the chat has slowed down a lot. So maybe we'll finish. Yeah, maybe we'll finish a little early. We'll see. But yeah, appreciate everyone. Please smash the like button. And yep, let's do it. Just gonna take a quick drink. And yeah, we'll do Mullen and Revlon. All right, 1 second, guys. Cool. All right, let's do it. So here is MULN Mullen Automotive. This finishes at $1.52 today. That is up 15.15%. Let's give this the So we haven't talked about this stock for almost 2 weeks. Last time we covered it, it was because we had news about the Russell 2 and 3000 editions, and that should be happening next week. I predicted that it was going to run up until that rebalance is over, and it appears like that is the case so far. And yeah, today this did make StockTwits top 10. Had about 5,000 mentions. Was a very popular stock today on social media. So once again, we're going to analyze it. So there was a reason as to why the stock went up so much today. We did have some news, so let's check that out first. Okay, oops. So the news was that Mullen extends maturity of $28 million convertible notes to July 2024. Did I miss anything? So nothing too crazy happening there. But but they're essentially getting an extension, a 2-year extension, on a $28 million loan. So that'll definitely help with cash flow and business operations. So that was bullish news. Market really liked it. Jumped in here and pumped the stock up pretty hard today. So I think that news was the biggest factor as to why the stock went up so much today. But just in general, the overall markets did do really well. But yeah, up over 15% today. Very nice. Let's go ahead. Let's jump right in and analyze here. Will Mullen drop another offering on us shareholders? Well, I don't have a crystal ball, but I will say that I would not be surprised if that is the case, because they are pretty tight on cash. They have cash, but, in an industry like EV making, goes pretty fast. So, no one knows for sure, but I certainly would not be surprised. I would say, don't count on it, but yeah, don't be surprised. Probably, let's put it that way. Especially if the stock price goes up that high, they'll definitely take advantage of that, do an offering. 1010 says, I'm not a betting man. Lies. But I would bet yes on another offering. Yeah, so 1010 agrees with me. And what up, Swarls? What's up, dude? Next offering will require shareholder vote. They diluted all already. They diluted already. Well, that's not necessarily true. They don't really need a shareholders vote. But yeah, never say never. They definitely can't do it again. Not saying they will, but like I said, they don't have a lot of cash. And they're definitely going to take advantage of volatility in the stock if it does keep pumping. So, yeah, just don't be surprised if they do. Probably not the answer you want, but realistic answer. You're welcome, Bigliest. And yeah, shout out to the community. The Discord is growing, and every time I check it, you guys are always answering each other's questions and helping each other out a lot. So, really proud of this community. 500 million shares diluted. That's why it's going up. No, because no shares available to short. So I guess it is like low-key squeezing, but not like straight up short squeezing. But yeah, shout out to you guys. Please smash like button if you haven't yet. Looks like people coming in during the middle of the show here. All right, let's get back to this. Let me check YouTube real quick. 9 viewers, 11 likes now. So, a lot of viewers in here. Please smash that like button, guys, if you haven't yet. Appreciate you.
I appreciate you.
All right. All right, let's do it. Okay. So first of all, this is a cup and handle in the making. Bottom of the cup being 75 cents. And there can be multiple possible tops. It can be 170. 270. 285, 320, 340, 360, or even 425. And longer term, this is part of an even bigger cup and handle, where this can possibly go back up to the high of 1590. So those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. Double gap down. Let's do the triangle first. And then here we do have some consolidation going on. Looks like a symmetrical triangle is forming. Right now, this looks like it's consolidating between 160 and $1. So there's a bit more consolidation to go, but this should consolidate somewhere between. But this should consolidate somewhere around 130. And then from there, it should break out to the upside again. So symmetrical triangle currently looks pretty bullish. And then we do have a double gap down. First gap down is back at 1190, so that is a bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to 1190 eventually to fill this gap. And second gap down is at 465. So another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 465 eventually to fill this gap. Those may take a while to fill, but in the long term, the stock should come back up to 465 and 1190 to fill those gaps. And then we have a gap up. And then we do have a gap up all the way back at 60 cents. Near the low. So that is a bearish indicator. That is telling us that the stock may come back down to 60 cents to fill that gap. And at this point, it looks pretty unlikely, but it is possible. So be aware of that, guys. I think I got everything. Yes. Okay. Bull flag. No, I got everything. Okay. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. So we'll go to $3. So right now this is sitting on the support of 150. Call it 155. So right now this is sitting on the support of 155, which it finished around today. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 170, 180, 190, 195, 205, 210, 215, 225, 235, 245, 250, 255, 265, 270, 280, 285, 290, $3, and then 305. There is resistance above 305, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 140, 135, 125, 120, 115, 110, $1, 98 cents, 88 cents, 70 cents, 75 cents, $0.60, and then the low of 52 cents. All right, let's see here. So right now at the current price, 152. The channels to the upside and the downside are pretty wide, so expect significant price action either way this goes. However, if when this breaks 180 to the upside, the channel starts to narrow, so expect a significant decrease in price action if slash when this breaks 180 to the upside. And then if slash when this breaks 305 to the upside, the channel starts to open up and get really wide again. So from 180 to 305, expect a slowdown in price action. And then after 305, expect a big increase in price action again. And let's see here. And to the downside, if slash when this breaks 125, the channel starts to narrow. So expect a significant decrease. So expect a significant decrease in price action if slash when this breaks 125 up until $1. After $1 to the downside, the channel starts to open up and get pretty wide again. So from 125 down to $1, expect a slowdown in price action. Then below $1, expect the price action to pick back up to increase again. RSI is currently at 61. So not quite overbought and overvalued, but on the higher end there. But on the higher side there, above average. So according to the RSI, the current price of 152 should be is a little bit above fair market value. Maybe it should be a little bit lower. And this did 101 million in volume today. Very significant volume, way above the average of 30 million. So this pump today was confirmed by the volume. What do you think of Mullen stock now? Do you think it is still a scam stock based on more and more news every other day? I'm not going to say it's a scam, but personally, I probably wouldn't put my money in this. There's a lot of growth potential, but, too many red flags for me fundamentally. So I'd much rather go with Tesla. But that's just me. That's just me speaking honestly. I'd much rather go with the safer, sure thing. Yeah, I'm not totally convinced about Mullen yet. If you want to swing trade it, go ahead. But personally, I don't think buying and holding long term is the greatest move here. Not financial advice though, just my opinion. So yeah, I would say if you want to swing trade it, go ahead. But I'd be very wary of buying and holding this for the long term. Okay. Where was I? Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. So, once again, I did predict that this would run to the upside up until June 24th. Well, I guess June 27th. Up until June 27th, which is when the Russell rebalance is going to be officially complete. So I think fund managers have been adding this stock to their portfolios for a couple of weeks now, and we still have a week to go before they're done. And again, we do have a lot more bullish indicators than bearish indicators at the moment. We have bullish indicators in the cup and handle, triangle, double gap down. Only bearish indicators are the only bearish indicators are the gap up and the above average RSI. So yeah, more bullish indicators than bearish indicators. So based on the continuing of the Russell rebalance and the TA here, this still appears to be bullish in the short and long terms. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice. Personally, I would not do that because you already missed a lot of upside in the past few weeks. Missed about a 50% upside already. Not saying it won't keep going up, but personally, it's a little too late to enter for my liking. I think it's kind of FOMO at this point. That being said, it should keep running for the next week until the Russell rebalance finishes. And then after that, I do think it will pull back a good amount. So if you want to swing trade this, if you want to quick scalp it, I can't support going long at 150, the current price. And I would look to ride it through this week and dump it next week as soon as the Russell rebalance finishes. Not sure how high it's going to go, but it looks like there's a bit more upside to go in the next week. So yeah, if you want to swing trade this, I think that's a good way to play it. But if you're looking for a really good entry, I would hold off until after next week when the Russell rebalance finishes. I'm not sure how low it's going to go. It may go as low as 60 cents to fill the gap up there. But yeah, I think if you're looking to enter at a really good entry, I would just hold off, wait until the rebalance finishes. Just watch the price action, see when it starts to bottom out, catch support, and then I would come in and make your move. But honestly, I'm kind of expecting to move back down to around $1. So just a very rough guess here. I think anywhere $1 and lower would be a really good entry on the long side. So I think go along at the current price, 150, would be a medium risk, medium reward play. I say that because I don't think there's too much more upside to go. Already went up 50%, but it should keep running for the next week. And I say medium risk because this really shouldn't come crashing down for the next week. It should hold up relatively well. It may pull back a little bit though. And then I would say going long after this pulls back, once the rebalance is over, would be a low risk, high reward play. So you can play this either way, either a quick scalp, swing trade, or long-term hold. But either way, you can make money. Just have a plan. Just have an enter and exit plan. Okay. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice. Looks like we got some comments here. If I get it now, what is good price to sell on swing trade? Like I just said, I would sell it first thing next week. I would sell it first thing on Monday. I think it's going to go down after that. What up, Cubic Rex and Caster 4203? Quantic Cubics is the move in crypto. Is that a stock? Not sure what Quantic Cubics is, but shout out to you. And yo, what the guy is saying about dilution is 100% true. What Swirl said? Yeah, it might be. I sure hope it is for all the for the apes' sake, you know. Hope you guys are making some fat tendies. But, you know, I'm the voice of reason, the voice of realism here. I'm not going to scream moon, I'm going to give you my honest opinion. So, yeah, I think it's going to keep running for the next week, and then it should be due for a pullback after that. And then it should keep running to the upside from there. Mullen Seed goes to 5,000 next week, guaranteed. Yeah, nuclear MOAS, right? Maybe $5 would be nice. I doubt that's going to happen, though. All right, back to this. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that just yet. Again, I think this has a little bit more upside to go for the next week until the Russell rebalance is over. So, while the entry of 150 on the short side is already a pretty decent one, an above average entry, I think if you hold off until next week, June 27th, and June 27th and further, I think that would be a good time to enter this on the short side. Because logically, I do expect shorts to come in after all the fund managers have rebalanced their portfolios. And I really have no idea how high this is going to run. But you should be able to get a better entry than 150. And I really have no idea how low this is going to go either after that happens. So I would just observe the price action, see when it starts to bottom out, catch support and bottom out, and I would look to cover when it appears like the stock is hitting a bottom and starting to reverse. And again, I think generally speaking, $1 would be a good time to exit. Okay, let's see here. I think I got everything. So I would say going short next week after the Russell rebalance would be a low risk, high reward play. Definitely worth a shot in my opinion. So there definitely is a good shorting opportunity coming up here, just not yet. And I think I got everything. Bit all over the place, but I think I got everything. Alright, so pretty straightforward, guys. Great day today. Great news today. They got an extension on their loan for 2 years. The overall market's doing really well. Big gain for the stock today. Looks really bullish in the long term, and this should keep running for the next week through the Russell rebalance. So if you want to go long, 150 isn't exactly the greatest entry, but if you buy in here and you sell after the rebalance is over, you should be able to make some pretty decent money on a swing trade, on a quick scalp. If you want to buy and hold for the long term, I would wait till after the rebalance is over and try to enter at around $1 or wherever this starts to bottom out and catch support. And if you want to go short, I would not do that just yet. But again, I think after the rebalance is over, this should have some pretty significant pullback. So I would hold off on the short side, give it a week, and then you should be able to short this down at a better entry than 150. And I think a good time to cover would be around $1 or whenever this starts to catch support and reverse. So there are a lot of different ways you can play this right now. Short term, long term, short term hold, long term hold, shorting it down, going long. So bears make money, bulls make money, pigs get slaughtered. A lot of different ways you can make money here. Just have an entry and exit plan, guys. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today, and good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is MULN Mullen Automotive. All right. Kind of took longer than I expected. We got one more in Revlon. Sorry about the sirens, guys. It's a minor automated compounding 8% daily auto claims reward BUSD in the wallet. Is that a stock? I don't know. 8% daily sounds a bit too good to be true, but I'll check it out. Is that a stock or what? Or is that a crypto? All right, next one, Revlon. Big movement here. It's DeFi, so yeah, it's a crypto. So yeah, just be careful with that stuff, because it works until it doesn't. The DeFi stuff, you gotta have an exit plan, know when to sell, and it's not really great in bear markets like this. But yeah, I'll check it out. Quantic Cubics. All right, let's finish up with Revlon here, and then the Yolos, and that's the show. So we're doing pretty good on time here. Yeah, I think we'll actually finish around 6 o'clock. But this one should go pretty fast. There's not too many indicators here. Okay. All right, let's do it, guys. So here is REV Revlon. This finishes at $6.06 today. That is up 62.47%. So we talked about this stock last week on Friday. It didn't really have too much momentum. I think it was on the lower end of StockTwits, like number 9 or 10 or something. Honestly, I didn't think the stock would continue to run this hard, but here we are. And yeah, the momentum is still strong here. This was still on StockTwits today. Top 10 had about 5,000 mentions. So once again, we're going to analyze it. So we did have some news. On Friday. Let's check it out here. So yeah, it's been a roller coaster for the stock. It's been a roller coaster for the stock. They declared bankruptcy. Had a plan to reorganize the company. For whatever reason, the market thought that was bullish. And then there was a report coming out saying they might get bought by Reliance Industries. That was really bullish. Where was it? Judge 2. Where was it? I think it's right here. I don't know when this news came out. Alright, whatever. And now we're getting news that Revlon got approval on a $375 million loan. So that's also very bullish. So a lot of very odd series of events happening here. That's causing the stock to squeeze. But yeah, it's been mooning for the past week here. So yeah, let's jump right in. Let's go ahead and analyze. Low Roller says I'm home now. I appreciate you, dude. So we'll get done with this thing and get onto the Yolos. So first of all, this is a cup and handle in the making. Well, so there's not too many indicators to go off of here. But first of all, this is a cup and handle in the making. Bottom of the cup being the low of 110. And there can be multiple possible tops. Let's see here. It can be 805, 860, 880, 995, or 1130. And longer term, this is part of an even bigger cup and handle, where the top can be 1765. But those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. And bull flag. And here a bull flag is developing. No confirmation just yet, but here we have a flagpole. So all we would need is some pullback for the flag to form, and that would be a bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock may break out to the upside. Okay, aftermarket action is fine. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. Or will be. Forgot to put it there. So I think we'll go up to 10. Yeah, we'll see. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 625 and 595. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 625, 660, 705, 735, 770, 790, 805, 825, 840, 860, 880, and then $9. There is resistance above $9, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 595, 575, 550, 525, 490, 460, 435, 410, 390, 360, 310, 265, 190, 155, and then 110. So right now at the current price, 606. The channels to the upside and the downside are pretty wide, so expect significant price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 770 to the upside, the channel starts to narrow, so expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this breaks 770. RSI is currently at 62, so not quite overbought and overvalued, but above average there. So according to the RSI, the current price of 606 is above fair market value. Maybe it should be a little bit lower. And this did 185 million in volume today, way above the average of 1.7 million. And this was the biggest volume day of the year. Definitely still short squeezing. Still a lot of momentum. So this pump/squeeze today was confirmed by the volume. And it appears like the squeeze is not over just yet. And I should mention here now. And in the aftermarket, this is running down to 590. So if this aftermarket action holds, that would be a bearish indicator for tomorrow. That is suggesting that tomorrow the stock will sell off. Okay. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. So yeah, I did say on Friday that the stock still looks pretty bullish. Still had a good amount of upside to go. I didn't think it would go up this much today, but here we are. And yeah, based on the volume here, it looks like the squeeze isn't over just yet. So it still may have a little more upside to go. Getting pretty dangerous at this point, though. But yeah, there are definitely more bullish indicators than bearish indicators here. Actually. Well. So yeah, we're getting the same amount of bullish and bearish indicators here now. We have bullish indicators in the cup and handle, bull flag, and the bull flag. We got bearish indicators in the aftermarket action and the high RSI. So it's a little bit difficult to tell where this is going to go in the short term. it appears like there may be a bit more upside to go, because it looks like the squeeze isn't done just yet. But as with all short squeezes, it'll have to come crashing down at some point, just a matter of when, not if. And this is not going to end too well. So therefore, if you want to go long, now financial advice. Personally, I would not do that, and I would not recommend it. Not saying it's not going to keep going up. It very well could. But at this point, this already went up so much in 1 week. Went up about 300% from $150 to $6 here. So you really can't expect too much more. And going long here at the current price, $6, would pretty much be FOMO at this point. So yeah, you may be able to make some money going long here, but I would say going long at this point would be a high risk, high reward play. I think you missed your chance. And if you were to FOMO in here, you're probably going to get burned. So it's pretty much a gamble at this point, not an investment. If you guys want to gamble, go ahead. Just do it at your own risk. Yeah, personally, I don't think going long is such a great idea at this point. Now, if you do decide to go long, and you do manage to make a profit, make sure you hit the sell button. Secure the gains. Don't get too greedy. Because if you hold it, if you diamond hands it, good chance it goes back down. So, be sure to lock in your gains. Now, if you want to go short, now financial advice. Seems like a pretty good play to me. The current entry of $6 on the short side is an above average entry. Is not an excellent entry, but an above average entry. And yeah, it appears like it's due for a pretty, and yeah, it looks like it's due for a pretty big pullback coming up here. Maybe not just yet. Maybe this will run for a few more days, but like I said, as with every short squeeze, it's going to have to come crashing down at some point, sooner or later. So I would have no problems with you guys going short here at $6. But personally, I would hold off a bit longer. Maybe a day or two, and try to catch this at the absolute top. It may have already topped out. But yeah, I think if you can get this for $8 and higher, but yeah, I think if you can get this at the $8 to $9 range, that would be an excellent entry on the short side. So I would say going long at the current price, $6 would be a high risk, high reward play. Should pay off if you're able to withstand some upside pressure. But I think if you were able to enter here at $8 or $9 on the short side, it would then become a low risk, high reward play. So yeah, you can either choose to go short now, a bit risky, but it should pay off if you're able to withstand the upside pressure. Or you can choose to hold off for a little bit and try to get a better entry. But going short here appears to be a pretty good play, either now or coming up. So personally, I would support going short at $8 and higher. $6 not a bad entry, but a little bit risky. So if you want to go short at $6, please do that at your own risk. Okay. So pretty straightforward, guys. Crazy series of events that is now leading to a short squeeze. Still a lot of retail momentum. Hot stock right now. Still squeezing. Not over just yet. But at some point, sooner or later, it's going to have to come crashing down. So if you want to go long, personally, I think it's too late. I wouldn't do it, and I wouldn't recommend it. But if you want to gamble, go ahead. Do it at your own risk. And if you want to go short, honestly, $6 is not a bad entry. You should be able to make some pretty decent money already, as long as you're able to withstand some upside pressure. But personally, I think if you can enter at $8 or $9, that would be a much better entry. And there is going to be a lot of money to be made on the downside. So going short looks like a pretty good play to me. Either now or very soon in the future. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today. Consider taking profits if you're up, not financial advice. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is REV Revlon. Alright, I think I got everything. Did I miss anything there? No, I think that's it. Alright, guys. So it took a little longer than I expected. But we're doing pretty good on time here. It is 5:37. So, yeah, all I got left are the Yolos. And we have quite a few, like 10 or 11 today. So, yeah, guys. Took a little longer than I expected. A lot of talking. My bad. Don't want to bore you guys too much. But we're done with the TA, and let's just finish up with the Yolos now. Mostly memes and Lost Chord. Yeah, appreciate everyone who's still here, who stuck around, who's still here. Let me check YouTube. We're at 8 viewers, 15 likes, so a lot of people still here. Appreciate everyone. I thought most people dipped, but a lot of people still here. So shout out to everyone.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
Shout out to the regulars. Shout out to the lurkers. Because I know a lot of people watch, although you don't participate in chat. I see you guys. Much appreciated. And please smash that like button if you haven't yet. And yeah, let me just pull up the Yolos here. And we'll just finish up the show. Alright. So I'll give this a second to finish loading. I heard Kyrie Irving going to the Lakers. It will be LeBron, AD, Westbrook. Can the Lakers afford Kyrie Irving? I don't see how they can be. Westbrook and Kyrie are going to be on the same team. I don't think that's going to happen. Sounds good in theory, but either they're gonna have to get rid of Westbrook and get Kyrie, which I don't think is going to happen. I don't think Westbrook is going to. What is he? He's going to get paid like $30 million, right? He's not going to opt out. And I think Irving wants to stay with the Nets, and the Nets want to keep Irving. It's just, you know, the guy is so unpredictable, not reliable, shows up to work whenever he wants. So I think they're trying to work something out. But, yeah, I think he's going to stay. I think they're going to come to a middle ground. No chance Kyrie would have to trade him there, and trade value for that dude is in the garbage. Yeah. Excellent player, but too much locker room drama. Too much real life drama. So, yeah, it's not an ideal situation. He's probably going to play out his contract with the Nets. Nets trying to get rid of Kyrie. Yeah, I think they are, but I think they're stuck with him, and he's stuck with them. I think they're both mutually stuck with each other. Nobody wants Kyrie, and the Nets want him, but he's gonna have to agree to some terms. But yeah, you know, not even a Nets fan, but I cheer for the Nets because better than the Knicks. Something to cheer about. But hey, I'm cheering for the Yankees right now. Finally got a good team, a really good team. Got a real shot this year. But yeah, hopefully the Nets work that out, and Ben Simmons also comes back and you know, does this thing. But yeah, this season was a pretty big disappointment for the Nets. So hopefully next season, and even the season before that, if KD just stepped like an inch further back from the 3-point line, he would have knocked off the Bucks and they might have won. But coulda, woulda, shoulda. If you ever go broke, just remember to eat tuna sandwiches and ramen noodles. Yeah, and pasta, lots of pasta. Dollar pizza, although I'm not really sure what's in dollar pizza. I don't know if you guys really should be eating that, but yeah, for sure. Ramen noodles, canned tuna, pasta. It's been a while since I had to do that. Not since college. But yeah, I remember those good old days. I remember I would used to buy like chicken breast and not even chicken breast, but you know, chicken because it's cheap, chicken and pasta. And my friends would look at me like that's too much money. They were really eating on the ramen noodles. Yeah, it was a struggle back then. I felt bad Durant since he should not leave the Warriors. Now he got all three clowns. Yeah, he tried to do it himself. Said I'm strong and independent. I don't need no super team. I can do it myself. And well, not literally, but yeah, he should have stayed. He should have stayed. And the Warriors could have got a lot more rings. He could have got more rings, but you know, he's kind of sensitive. He wants to be the star of the show. But yeah, got a bunch of divas on his team. Harden and Kyrie, and now he's Ben Simmons. They're all personalities. Occasionally peanut butter sandwiches. Yeah, that too, but there's not much protein there, not much meat. Gotta get your meat. Pause. Durant should leave Nets. Start over. Yeah, I think he's under contract, though, for a long time, like 5 years. So he's gonna be there for a while. Kyrie can't get along with LeBron. Both back then want to be the man. Yeah, well, LeBron couldn't do it without him, and Kyrie couldn't do it without LeBron. They got a chip. That was crazy. They came back from 3-1 to beat the Warriors. But yeah, they don't like each other. No one really likes Kyrie. It seems like this recession could possibly take us back to those times. I hope not, bro. I ain't never going back. Never going back there. But yeah, it's been pretty rough. Definitely had to save a lot of money. Definitely haven't been going to many games. I went to like 1 or 2 games this year. Last year I was going like multiple times a week. I was like paying for the good seats too. Used to eat out a lot, like two times a week. Now I do it every other week, like once every other week. Yeah, definitely saving money here. Try not to drive around too much because gas is crazy now. Yeah, so it's been having to cut back on the spending, but no, I never going back there. You wish. Protein powder for protein. That is true. That is true. Meal supplements and stuff. You can do that. That stuff is expensive though. Protein powder. Because, you know, even for my gains, that stuff is expensive. It's like $50. $50 to $100 a bottle. Well, for the big ones. I heard NBA lockdown. The owners are mad for lazy players getting max contract. Yeah, because Kyrie started the whole thing. The whole thing with that. And Ben Simmons. Both of them started that. They just don't want to play and want to get paid. If you were owner, would you like that? Hell no. Everyone want to be the man of their team. Can't be two number one. They're always going to be one number one. Yeah, absolutely. It's an ego thing. You got to accept who the man is and, you know, let him do his thing. Like Dwayne Wade, let LeBron do his thing in Miami. Yeah, you got to have, like, no egos. That's why the Warriors are so good. Well, everyone knows Steph is the man. But, you know, there's no egos or anything. A lot of chemistry. They're a real team. Maybe they don't have, like, the most talent, as much talent as some other teams, but, you know, team chemistry. Anyway, let's finish up here, guys. Alright, so today we have quite a bit of Yolos. Quite a few. 11 Yolos, a lot of memes, a lot of lost corn, and I think some gained corn. This should be fun. Let's do it, guys. This first one's by Rebelo55. Our man is back. So, yeah, here's the Peter Tuchman meme. The bullish indicator, Peter Tuchman. Or is it? Yeah. So it doesn't always work anymore, but it usually does still. So yeah, the man is back. Market's booming today. I'm happy. Let's go. Shout out to Peter Tuchman. All right, this is by Yankees 1196. Shout out to the Yankees. Bear market is over, right? So here we got our what's this guy's name? Pepe, right? Pepe the Frog. Ethereum at 1100 2 days ago. Fire. Ramenistan. Ethereum at 1100 today. Yeah. Yeah. So, I don't have too much ETH, but I can relate with Bitcoin. You know, like, Bitcoin at 20K 2 days ago, I'm like, good. And then what, it went down to 17, and now it's back to 20, and I'm like, yeah, let's go. So, yeah, very, very relatable. Very relatable. Very sad and relatable. Alright, this is by TPRXXX Hawkeye. Sounds kind of emo. Okay. Update to the Friday SPY YOLO. So I think we reviewed this guy on Friday. Pretty sure we did. But yeah, let's check it out here. So, yeah, this was a 10K YOLO. Right now he's up 12K, 121%. And you know what he did? He hit the sell button. He hit the sell button. He didn't diamond hands. He hit the sell button. And he cashed out. 120%. Very, very nice. So, I don't really recommend you guys FD like this. But, you know, when it does work out, hit the sell button. So the guy did the right thing here. So major attendees. And he bought it on calls, too. He made it on calls, not puts. Very impressive. So, yeah. TPRXXX Hawkeye. Thanks for posting. Thanks for the update. And pretty risky stuff. But paid off really, really big here today. You know, glad it worked out. You didn't need to hit the sell button, but, you know, you did anyway, just in case. And, yeah, 120%, couple days. Very, very nicely done. Congrats to you. Chill out, though, in the future. Doesn't always work like this. But congrats on your gains, and good luck, dude. They need to change max contract. It only takes 1 year to make all NBA team. They receive max contract. Well, there needs to be, like, stipulations in there. You know, like, you need to play X amount of games to qualify for max contract, for sure. Wall Street bets allow crypto meme in the board. Do they? I don't think so. That meme is so freaking true. Remember where it was in relation to where it is. Also true for stocks. Mullen. Which one? The Ethereum one? My allergies are going crazy. The Ethereum one, right? Yeah, very, very true. Very relatable. That was totally me over the weekend. Is Reddit down? I don't think so. It's working for me. Imagine if Apple buy Mullen out, that is really going to be to the moon. Yeah, keep dreaming. And BBIG too, right? And everything else. I remember it was Microvision MVIS, which was one of the very first stocks that we talked about on this channel over a year ago. And they were big on this LiDAR tech. And they were screaming, you know, Ford is going to buy us. Amazon, Apple is going to buy us. LiDAR, the new thing. And I'm like, keep dreaming, keep dreaming. So, yeah, one can hope. It's called hopium, not reality. And what if it doesn't buy Mullen? Well, then you just keep waiting till it does. You keep waiting for the nuclear MOAS. It's gonna happen. Just wait on it. Nuclear MOAS. Diamond hands. Totally joking. No nuclear MOAS, guys. It's not gonna happen. If it don't, maybe 2-ish by next week. If Apple buy easy over 20. Yeah, we're just talking in hypotheticals. It ain't happening. Why you show ETH and Wall Street bets today? Good question. Good question. I don't know why they allowed that. They did allow that. Ethereum. I didn't even realize that was a crypto. I mean, I know ETH is a crypto, but I forgot. They're two different things. They don't allow crypto on Wall Street bets. So that's interesting. Yeah, it was just there, dude. All right, next one. By Gimel1213. And he earned himself a tag. Lost 250k because forgot to put a stop loss. Lol. Alright, 90% down. I lost everything because I did the biggest mistake. Put everything to one stock. Virgin Galactic, and forgot to put a stop loss. Alright, so, yeah, said it himself here. You see, so he's at 32k. Down 260k for the year, 89%.
And it's gone.
Yeah, this is nasty. So yeah, guys, I don't think I need to tell you this, right? It's probably not YOLO everything in one stock, especially, you know, growth memes like that. And I mean, I guess if he was planning to buy and hold, then it makes sense he didn't put a stop loss, but yeah, I don't know about buying and holding Virgin Galactic. So, I don't think his mistake was really the stop loss here. I mean, kind of, but really not choosing a better stock. You could have put everything in SPY. You could have put everything in like Apple or Amazon. Would have been a lot better. So I don't know why this guy liked Virgin Galactic so much, but okay. But yeah, you know, at least it's... I was going to say at least it's stock, not options. Still pretty bad, And he may make his money back, but it's going to be a while, so... Yep, this is some epic loss corn here. Great post. Pretty much everything went wrong here. And probably not going to get his money back. I mean, maybe you can average down, but yeah, this is pretty bad. So yeah, Gimel1213, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss, dude. Yeah, this is pretty terrible. All around pretty terrible. I feel bad, dude. It's not the worst thing in the world, but it's pretty bad, and good chance you don't make your money back. So, on the bright side, you got what, like 90 years of tax write-offs here, 80 years, 85 years of tax write-offs. So, good loss corn, but sorry, dude. All right, this is by 2035 Tesla 10K. I quit the game. Hello, Dave Ramsey. So more lost coin here. Don't know what he did, but from November 2021 to June 2022, it's down 112K. Down 66%. Ouch. So, I don't think you need Dave Ramsey yet. But this is quite a hit to take in, like half a year. This is pretty bad. 9 months. So, I'm guessing there's a lot of growth in here. A lot of growth in memes and possibly FDs. But, yeah. Really, really sucks. But, hey, you'll be alright, dude. You still got about 60K here. Hope you learn your lesson. And, you know, diamond hands, buy and hold. You'll be alright, dude. Not as bad as the other guy, but yeah, this is still pretty sick. But yeah, epic lost cord, and he'll be alright. He'll be alright. And apes look at these memes and laugh and continue to blow up accounts. Yep, never learn. Never learn. Memes are true. I love the memes because they're true. Did you buy Shiba Inu yet? Hell no, I'm not. I was going to, but nah, I'm done with sheep. I'm not buying no sheep. I'll just buy Dogecoin, maybe. So yeah, 2023 Tesla 10K. Shout out to you. Sorry for your loss. You'll be alright, dude. Hang in there. Damn, low roller got 5 for us. This is by Impossible Tap 7820. I belong here. So there's just a lot of lost corn. This guy is down 65K. 33.5%. Still at 130K, so he'll be right. But, yeah, this is actually pretty standard. I don't know how the other guys lost like 90%. 70%. 35% is still a bit on the high side, but realistic. So this guy, he's just diamond handing. He's just buying and holding. Didn't really do anything wrong. But, yeah, still sucks. A lot of money to lose. So, Impossible Tap, shout out to you. Sucks, but still got a lot of money. You'll be alright, dude. I don't think you're really doing anything wrong here. Just hang in there. Thanks, posting. Just put 50 bucks in Shiba Inu. I mean, I guess I can. I'd rather put it in Doge. What up, Chilo? Haven't seen you in a while, so welcome back. What's up, what's up, what's up? Does LZB look like a reasonable short? Let's check it out. LZB. Lazy boy? Probably no, dude, to be honest. They just had earnings, and it's going up here. So it's going to gap. So you probably can make money, but it looks more bullish than bearish. Honestly, there's a gap down here, so this should come back up to 36. Cup and handles. More gap downs here. 25, so that should get filled. But yeah, and RSI is at 37, so this is already on the lower side. So, I'm going to give it a no on this one. This actually looks like a long to me, to be honest, based on the charts here. I think it will pull back down to 23.50, though, after today. But, yeah, I personally don't think this is the greatest short. Looks more bullish than bearish. Just my opinion, though, not financial advice. You're welcome. And good luck, man. And yeah, thanks for being here. Thanks for being back. Appreciate you. Nice of you to stop in. Please smash that like button, guys. Yeah, 1010 agrees. Alright, Celsius pumping this weekend. Alright, we'll look at that. Alright, so we just got a bunch of lost coin here. Let's go through this. By G Adams 065. Finally 100%. Yeah, so this guy's down 102%. Down 86K.
And it's gone.
Don't know how we did that. I can take a guess. Margin FD Yolos. This one's pretty bad. And realized losses is 63K, so he's 23K in unrealized losses. Yep. Bad decisions. Bad decisions. Pretty impressive. So nice loss corn here. Sorry for that. So G Adam, sorry about that, dude. But great content. Good luck to you. Don't do this again. This one's really bad. Damn. This one is by Zealous Ideal Air 567. So this guy's also in Virgin Galactic. Down 23K, 72% in the past year. So it's down 13K on Virgin Galactic. And I guess 10K on everything else. So yeah, more lost corn. Sucks. But that's what happens when you play meme stocks and FDs. What was this one? By Camel Best. Sorry, red's my favorite color. So this guy's down 24K realized losses. Down 145%. I don't know how that's possible, but he's down 145%.
And it's gone.
Very impressive. Shout out to you. Camel Best. Takes a real ape to do this. So, hope that works out. Shout out to you. Sorry for your loss. And we got some random stuff. Oh, these are actual Yolos. By Osinha. So we got a 11.5K YOLO here. Expiring tomorrow. Oh my god. 380 SPY call? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I don't know about this one. I hope it works out. I hope it works out. This is insanity. Can't get too much more FD than this. 11.5K YOLO. Out of the money. Expires tomorrow. So, don't do this, guys. If it works, he's going to be printing. But if it doesn't, which it probably won't, there goes 11.5K. So, yeah, crazy FD. Hope it works out. You know, you may want to cut right here, dude, before it goes bad. But, hey, this is Wall Street Bets. Great content. Shout out to you. Hope it works out. Pulling for you tomorrow. Good luck. And we got one similar here. 10K YOLO, 372. Oh, this one already ended. So this one actually finishes in the money. Yeah, this one worked out. This is also by Hawkeye. So I don't know what this is worth now. So it was worth 9,800. What's it worth now? Don't even have data. Oh, there we go. 372 call. We'll just call it 300. So, I think he made some. I think he made like 20K here, actually. I think he made like 20K. So, not sure exactly, but yeah, this one worked out. So, congrats to this guy. Alright, let's finish up with some low roller stuff. So, yeah, definitely going longer than I expected. It's at 6. Looks like we're going to go to like 6:15 today, but we're almost done. Pull up these links. Alright, 1 second. Give us a second to finish loading, and we'll just finish up with these last Yolos here. But anything else, guys? Questions, comments, concerns, charts, put it in the chat right now. We'll look at that. Yeah, other than that, we got like 7 more Yolos, and we out of here. Taking a bit long to load. And here comes the siren. It's going to talk over it. Yeah, I don't know. Reddit's kind of slow today. What's this? Celsius? 14%? So I don't know why Celsius is going back up. Because they didn't open their withdrawals again, right? So, very sketchy. I don't know how, I don't know why people are buying this. But, hey, fortune favors the brave, right? As Matt Damon said. How are your Bitcoin contract? Are you making money since you got 75k Bitcoin contract? Yeah. Actually, I bought it back. I bought back the 75k and I did new ones for 50k. So, yeah, I pretty much cashed out. Got all the premium, most of the premium from the 75ks, and I'm back in for 50k. So, yeah, I rolled it down. Do you mainly trade shares or options? I do both. I mostly sell covered calls on my options, which I was just talking about for my Bitcoin. I sold the 50k strikes. So I sell covered calls on like stuff I hold, which is pretty much Bitcoin and SPY, and then I don't really hold shares too much. Well, Bitcoin and SPY, and then so what I do hold, I sell covered calls, and then everything else I basically just swing and day trade. Haven't been doing it recently. So yeah, both. I like swing trade shares a lot, and I sell covered calls on options. So good mix of both. Celsius did short squeeze this weekend. Do you think Bitcoin short squeeze is coming soon? No, probably not, to be honest, but one can hope. What was this? GME YOLO, Lambo, or Handies behind Wendy's? I'll be happy with either. Alright. So this isn't so bad. He's mostly shares, but he does have some GME FDs here. June 22nd, so that's tomorrow. 140 today. So he has one in the money. Oh, it's July 15th, my bad. July 15th. Alright, well, this isn't so bad. Strikes are okay. Got about a month to go. But this isn't, any like stupid amount of money or anything. He'll be alright. So it's actually up right now. Should probably sell it, to be honest. But shout out to this guy. Hope it works out. But this isn't like this is an affordable YOLO. This is an acceptable YOLO here. I can get behind this. Kind of risky, but compared to his overall portfolio, it's not that bad. Just got out of day trading rules. Nice. Made 8k today. How? SPY calls. That's how. Made 8k today. So yeah, shout out to this guy. But if you trade like this, you're gonna go right back under. But yeah, big gain today. 8k. That's what happens when you play FDs. It says, here we go again. Buckle up, apes. Interesting. I think he's doing a spread here. Yeah, I think this is some type of spread because he's negative 149 calls here. Yeah, this is either a, this looks like a call credit spread, it looks like. Anyway, so, up a lot of money overall. Not sure if I'm reading this right, but it looks like almost 60K in profits. So, similar play to the other guy, July 15th. So, this one depends what his overall portfolio looks like, but if he has money to do this, then it's acceptable. But yeah, this is similar to the other guy. So, I hope it works out. Shout out to this guy. I guess I'm working for my dad again, Turbine Guy on YouTube. I mean, he's still at 64K. It's a lot of money, but yeah, down a lot from wherever it was. Please pray for J Powell to deliver my puts to victory. Thank you. So it expires 368. So, okay. So out of the money, got 3 days to go. Already down 5K. So, risky stuff, risky YOLO. Hope it works out. That's pretty insane. I hope it works out. If not, mega guh. While I'm only down 54%, I might be able to eat today. Yeah, get yourself some ramen. Average is 15, not bad. And what's this? Shrinkflation. The party gets smaller and the guests stay hungrier. Stouffer's lasagna with meat sauce. 2007, 96 ounce. 13 bucks. 2022, 90 ounce, 21 bucks. That's pretty outrageous. All right. Yeah, it's a scam out here.
Hey, you gonna lose all your money? That's a scam!
That's my kind of YOLO. I kind of like that one. Which one, the SPY or the GameStop? Betting on SPY 372 tomorrow. Calls or puts? That's pretty much at the money right now. Calls or puts? Yes. But, alright guys, so that is the show for today. That actually went longer than I expected. I thought we were going to go, 1 hour 30, possibly 2 hours. We went about 2 hours, 15 minutes here. So, yeah, a little bit longer than usual. But, yeah, great show, great show. A lot of cover. A lot of people in here today. Looks like a lot of people came in before in the beginning and dipped, and then a lot of people came in during the middle of the show. But overall, looks like we had a pretty good show today. Let me check YouTube. 4 viewers, 16 likes. So, yeah, most people dipped, but very successful show today. Thank you, guys. 16 likes. All right, one more? Sure. So, anything else, guys? Questions, comments, concerns? Put in the chat. Look at this last one. Otherwise, that's it, guys. All right, peace out, Chilo. Nice seeing you again. What is this? Panini Flawless Triple Logo Man. LeBron James patch card. 1.8 million. What the hell? If I had 1.8 million, I ain't buying no damn cards, I'll tell you that. Buy me a house.
Buy your mama a house. Buy your whole family houses. Put this money in your savings account.
These sports cards will become worthless. Too many sports cards sell $100K or more. Yeah, I don't know who's paying 1.8 mil. I don't know who got it like that, but Wish I had it like that. Alright, guys. That is the show for today. So, yeah, great show. Appreciate everyone. Thanks to all the regulars. All the familiar faces and all the new people. Hope you guys enjoyed. I enjoyed. And, yeah, great day to start the week. Hopefully we keep it rolling here. Rest of the week. I heard sports cards take 90% on peak. I have no idea. I don't trade this stuff. Alright, guys. So, yep, long show. I hope you guys enjoyed. Good stuff. I'll work on these videos very shortly here. And I think that's it. No one's saying anything. So let's get out of here, guys. See you tomorrow. Thanks, everyone, for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know. Diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.